What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Crizzo, and today I'm back with another video. Did y'all miss me? No, you? Okay, alright. Okay, you ain't gotta get hostile, bro. I know I've been gone for a while, bro. You ain't gotta be like that, bro. Chill, bro. Today I'm coming at y'all with a how-to video. If y'all ever wanted to get started on YouTube, now is the time to start. Everybody has been wanting to get on YouTube. We finna go into a new year. 2020 is right around the corner. So I want to make sure y'all get a little bit of information on how y'all want to start getting on YouTube, so y'all can get out there making those videos, making those content, actually get into the mix on becoming a content creator. First thing, I want to ask y'all three vital questions before you guys want to start getting into YouTube. The first question is, why do you even want to start on YouTube? Like, why do you want to start on a platform? Like, what's your purpose? You know what I mean? Like, what's the reason you even want to start uploading, to start doing all this type of like videos? You know what I mean? Second question, who do you guys want your videos to reach out to, aka your target audience? Do you want it to be older people? Do you want it to be young kids, little jits? Do you guys want it to be teenagers? You guys want to be other content creators, business owners? It don't matter. It don't really matter who you want your videos to go out to. Just make sure that you have a target audience, because you don't want to start making videos just for yourself. Third question, what type of value, and I repeat, what type of value are you bringing to your channel? That's very important, because either it's entertainment, you either want to be informative, or you want to bring education, or you just, you want to bring some type of value that people are going to leave your videos with, knowing that they're going to come back for more. You feel me? That's very, very, very important. I've seen a lot of people that start making videos and there has no value to it. People might be dancing in the video. They're not teaching you how to dance, but they're just dancing. You know? So make sure you have value in your videos. Now, I'm going to get into 5 steps on everything you need to start on YouTube in 2022. The first step is your equipment. Now, I know a lot of people, when I ask them, how you want to start YouTube, they be like, oh, I don't have the equipment, I don't have a really good camera, or I don't have a nice computer, I don't have all this stuff like a PC, I don't have none of that. I'm telling you, bro, all you need is a cell phone. Dead at, like, that's the only thing you need is a cell phone. I'm literally recording this video off a cell phone. That's all I have. Like, literally, I don't have no other type of Canon DXLR. I don't even know the terminology for the cameras. I just know I don't have none of that because they're way too expensive, and I have a camera, so I'm gonna put this camera to use. And you need a laptop. You don't need a extremely powerful PC. All you need is a laptop that you can have good internet on and that you can run programs on. It's not gonna be too slow. Just make sure it's a reliable laptop. Second thing, you need to find your niche. Now, what a niche is basically a niche is basically a market that you provide content for. Like, maybe it's the fitness niche, maybe it's the beauty niche, maybe it's a food niche, maybe it's the engineering niche. Basically, it's a market to where you're looking for information, or you're providing information within that market. And they have different sub niches. They have like fitness for moms. They have fitness for moms that work. Cooking niches for people who want to learn how to cook Italian food. They have niches for people who want to cook Asian cuisine foods. Like, they have a whole bunch of sub niches, but the overall like market is the niche. To start on YouTube, what I would do is, if I were you, I would start making how-to tutorials. Now, the reason why I say start with how-to tutorials is because once you find your niche, maybe you want to go into fitness, maybe you want to go into beauty, maybe you want to go into food, or maybe you want to go into fashion. What I would do is I would start making how-to tutorials about that niche. Maybe you know how to, how to cook a certain pasta, or maybe you know how to do a certain exercise. You might do how to make a certain hairstyle. You know what I mean? Like, stuff like that. It gets your foot in the door to starting your YouTube channel, because once people see that video, they're gonna want to see more of those how-to videos. And the reason why is because it's searchable. Make content that is searchable. I repeat, make content that is searchable. Okay? YouTube is a SEO. I think that's how you say it. Basically, you go on YouTube to look for how-to videos anyway, right? You look for solutions to problems that you might have. So you want to make how-to videos so that you can solve people's problems because you have the solution. Come on now. Step three, we're going to talk about thumbnails. Now, thumbnails are vital to your channel because they're basically the cover, and it's really going to draw people's attention to that video if you have a really good thumbnail. 3 editing softwares I would use is Canva, Fonto, and Photoshop. I'm not sure if Photoshop is free, but I would still use Canva or Fonto if you wanted to start, and it's basically free. Step 4, we're gonna get into tags, descriptions, and the title. Now, the title isn't the only important thing that you really need for your video. You need to have a good description, and you need to have some decent tags. You don't need to have a lot of them, but you need to have some good tags to just so the algorithm can pick your video up a little bit better. Now, the reason why the description is so important is because it basically is what it is a description of what your video really is about. So you want to have a really good description, and I would include the title within my description as well, so that you can actually, so that your keywords are naturally typed in when people are looking for that topic or that, how-to video. Now, the tags, to me, I feel like tags aren't that important, but if you wanted to put tags in your videos anyway, then I would certainly do it. I would just put in how to do whatever, or how to something, or just do, let's say you want to do hair, right? Do how to make fishnet braids, or fishnet braids tutorial, or fishnet 2022, right? So basically, that's how I would do my tags if I was making hair tutorials, but what I need to do hair tutorials for. Step 5, and this is the most important step on this list. Just start making videos. Seriously, just start making videos. Now, a lot of people will be like, I don't want to, I'm a little bit shy around the camera. Literally, all that you have to do is just press that button. Literally, once you press that button, just go with the flow. Literally, just go with the flow, just start talking, just start having fun with it, start enjoying yourself, because if you're enjoying yourself making these videos, you're gonna have a really great time making content, and that's really important when it comes to making videos and all. You want to make sure you're having fun with it. If you're not having fun with it and you're getting bored with it, then it's just not gonna be authentic, and it's not gonna be real. So you want to make sure you're having fun, you're putting your personality into it. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Your videos do not have to be perfect. If you've seen my videos from the beginning of my channel, I didn't know what I was doing. Seriously, I did not know what I was doing. I started with motivational videos. I started with reactions. I started with gameplay. And, I really just didn't have a direction for my channel. I was really just basically trying to see what kind of content was working for me. And, I was just going with the flow, It kind of like helped me learn some stuff, which is also important. Learn the bare minimums of making content, how to make thumbnails, how to edit your videos, how to do descriptions, how to do the tags, and how to do the title. That's why all of these things work together, right? They all work together, and you really want to master all of these things so that you can produce better quality content, better quality videos and stuff like that. So that's really important to, the concept of your videos, you know what I mean? But overall, if you guys enjoyed that video, please drop a like and please subscribe. I will try to post some more helpful content like this. If you guys really want to watch more videos like that, if you want to, I might bring a new video on how to grow on YouTube. So if you wanted to, please drop a like and comment whatever type of videos you want to see me make. If you guys enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe. I will be making more videos like that if you guys really enjoyed it. But what you say? What you say to me, you little shit? You're dusty. See, this is why I can't do nothing. This is why I can't do nothing for people, bro. Like, I'm trying to bring a nice, simple video for you guys, and you guys trying to check me. Oh my God. You know what? Cut the video off. I'm done.